Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Ticketmaster. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to feel secure with your password. How do you actually go ahead and change your password to improve the security of your account? Either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is log on to our Ticketmaster account, which looks like this right here. And then on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on My Account. Next, you want to click on My Profile, which is this toggle down button. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says Profile Details. So once you click on Profile Details, you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says Update Password. So here is where it says Update Password and that your password must include at least 12 characters, 1 letter, and 1 number. So when you type your password in here, you just need to click on Update Password. And that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your password or change your password on Ticketmaster. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.